Let's see. Make sure we lit. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. We lit, we lit, we lit. Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, let's go, man. Let's go. We already live on TikTok over here. Yeah, I was checking the YouTube and Facebook and all that. All right, y'all, what's going on, man? What's going on? What's going on? Let's jump into it. Let's jump straight into it. I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit management company in San Diego, top rated in California. We're nationwide. If you need a free consultation, go ahead and shoot me a DM. Just DM me the word King. You can also hit the link in the bio, schedule a call that way too. But I go live twice a day, y'all, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific times. Just come on here just to answer people's credit questions, right? Because when I was coming up, you had to pay to play. You still got to pay to play sometimes, but there was no really good information out there. You know, you can YouTube all you want, but if you wanted someone that had a lot of knowledge, that's actually making money in this credit industry, that has, you know, a couple hundred active clients that are doing it the right way, it costs you a lot. All right. So I said, once I built up a following, you know, start making a little money, I was going to help out as many people as I can. So if you want to start your own credit repair company, okay, my mentorship is open, right? Just hit the link in the bio. The mentorship's in there. Get all the information and all that. But these lives are just to answer people's credit questions, man. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. We live on IG. Yes, sir. We live on IG. We live in the Facebook group. We live on YouTube. Yes, sir. Jaden on IG. How long will it take to start seeing improvement towards your credit? So with us, you start to see results within that first 35 days, right? The first 35 days. And we usually need about 3 to 6 months to get your report how we want it to look, just depending on what's on your report. All right. So I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of people out there. We guarantee this. We guarantee that. Once someone says we guarantee, run the other way because that's illegal. That's the first thing we learn. Real credit repair owners, that's the first thing we learn. You can't guarantee anything. You know what I'm saying? So, but we can go by the results, our reviews, check us out. You know, we're everywhere. All right. So yeah, if you need a free consultation, don't hesitate. Just shoot me a DM, Jaden. All right, let's work. Let me slide over here to TikTok. Benji, Credit Karma is accurate for Vantage Score 2024. We gonna read more. Let's go. Donnell, Chase, what's good? Hey yo, you said Friday, but I'm gonna ask every day and see you live. Can I join you live? Friday, bro, Friday. Donaldo, what's good? Jose, what's good? Yes, sir. Oh, this other camera's not on? The main camera's not on, damn. All right, well, it is what it is. At least we got this one. Let's go. Jaden Steele. I have an 800 credit card debt and 943 student loans. If I pay those off, can my score increase? So, Jaden, your open credit cards, you definitely want to pay that down. So just by paying that down, your utilization is going to increase. All right. Now the student loans, it's kind of messed up because student loans, though, they count as installment loans. So when you pay off an installment loan, your account actually, your score actually drops because you lose the age associated with that account. All right. But it's okay though. Installment loans are made to be paid off. William, my score 719, 721, 719. I have perfect payment. Score goes up and down. William, because your utilization fluctuates. All right. So William, how many open accounts do you have, bro? How many open accounts you got, my brother? Yes, sir. Let me see. Is this all done by you, as in you remove things from someone's credit, if that makes sense? Yeah. So we do all the work, Jaden. We do all the work. It's done for you services. Yep. What are price points for your credit repair services? We got our standard, gold, and our platinum. All right. So we go over all that during the consultation. It's all super affordable, bro. But if you shoot me a DM, we can talk about all that. Let's go. Let's go. And I say it that way because if I just told you a price, I tell you the wrong plan you qualify for, right? And then we look at your credit report you're going to be upset at us. You know what I'm saying? So that's why everyone goes through a free consultation, right? Everyone has to do that. Carolina, which one is that they use for a house? And what if I have a student loan? Yeah, you can get a house even with a student loan. That's okay. That's all right. And there's different FICO scores. So it depends on the lender. But there's different FICO scores. So Credit Karma, these are Vantage scores, right? So the scores aren't going to be FICO scores. All right, but the accounts and activity, you can use that. Okay, you can use that. Benji waiting on Big Steve. Bro, I messed up. My Amex was supposed to fall off January 2025, but was on payment plan for a bit. It has reset the clock, and now it won't fall off till 2027. Yeah, once you agree to that payment plan, it kind of resets that clock. Donaldo, Amex keep pre-approving me for the platinum. I can do that for $695 annual fee just yet. Bro, you don't need the platinum, man. Donaldo, you good, bro. You good. You got the business stuff. You got your gold. You good for now. What do you say? William, hold on. My credit dropped 36 points after. Life's easy. After what? After what? Neither of these are used for the house. It's a FICO 4 or 5 or a mortgage. Yeah, Jay's calm. That's exactly what I said, bro. Come on now. Maritza, my credit score dropped to 400 after having a repo. Can I start to fix this? Yeah, Marissa. So if you want us to do it, just shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. If you want to start doing it yourself, you can, right? I got all the tools you need. Just hit the link in the bio, get that King credit bundle, and get to work. All right. D Styles said, I'll be contacting you. All right, bro, let's work. Let's work. Antonio, I don't understand credit. How does it work? I'm 18 and have a 778. Antonio, that's good. So you're on your way. So you're 18. So you're starting off really good already, right? Really good. So credit repair is for repairing something that's damaged, right? So the best way to build your credit is to never damage it, right? So as long as you make your payments on time, you're pretty much good to go. Like let's keep it real simple. All right, Antonio, but you're 18, so it's now the time to start adding some easy accounts, right? Some easy accounts. So Antonio, hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. I got some easy approvals on there. All right, William, 25 open account with 0 balance, has 5 cards with balance. Okay. Yeah, so you don't want 0 balances, right? You want a little something on there, like a little something, right? And then those 5 cards with balance, if that utilization is hella high, that's affecting your score. All right, Stephanie, can you please tell me what does no recent revolving balances mean? Drop my score to 20 points. Stephanie, that means that you don't have any credit cards, pretty much. All right, so Stephanie, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. Go grab that extra card, okay? That extra card, and then you can probably grab that Capital One card once that reports. All right, what's a good number to Experian? They seem to not only allow you to speak to the automation. Yeah, Dogwood for life. When you hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says how-to guides. I got all the numbers and addresses and stuff all in there. It's all free. I have a 708 graduate school, no student loans. What should be my next to raise my score? I mean, so Malcolm, I need to know how many accounts you have, right? But I'm guessing you don't have that many. So just go ahead, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. It's just a Google Doc. It's free. I got some step-by-steps on there. I got some easy approvals, some easy accounts and everything. Brand 420. I have a 750, a 747 score, bought a house. Is that something good? Will it bring my score down a lot? Yeah, Brand, that's good though. That's good. So yeah, your score's gonna drop a little bit. That's okay though. So anytime you add a new account, your average credit age drops. It's just an equation, right? It's just division. You know what I'm saying? So so your score's gonna drop a little bit, but it's good that you have a mortgage account on your credit profile. That's good. Does he answer DMs though? Mateo, bro, I answer the most DMs. It's actually getting wicked. It's crazy. What's the most accurate credit score app? Jaden, when you go to my link tree, scroll down, it says get your FICO score for $1. You can use that one. That's just my score IQ. You can use my FICO. And you can use Experian. You got to pay $24.99 now. Let's go. Bro, I can still move forward with round 2 for my Amex, even though I was on payment plan. No Diddy. So that's going to be tough, bro. That's going to be tough. So if you're in an active payment plan with your Amex, that's going to be difficult to dispute that. Yeah, it's going to be difficult, bro. We might not want to mess that up, honestly. Because you want to work with Amex in the future too. So I kind of don't want to mess that up. Long T, what's good? I dropped 36 points after paying off all my credit card debt at once, was around 3,600. Yeah, life's easy. So you probably paid it off after the statement dates. That's okay. So you paid it off, your score. So when you make a payment after your statement date, that balance already reported to the credit bureaus. So now you have to wait till the next update to see the point increase. Quitter for you now. My credit score dropped after increase my credit limit. Did it so I can increase, but it decreased. Yeah, so Quitter, something else happened. So when you get a credit limit increase, it lowers your utilization, right? So your score should have went up. So you did something else happen. Okay, something else happened. Yeah, bro, I was replying to someone who asked either 4 or 5 or Allah, but you did not say that. All right, bro. All right, now, what will happen if the credit score... Wait, where'd it go? Here we go. What would happen if the credit score drops 400? I mean, that's the thing about credit. You can always bounce back. Yeah. Will, thanks. What you think of Dovely? What's Dovely? What's that? Just got my Amex Gold. When do I pay the membership? So you have that. You can, for me, I'll pay mine immediately. Right, but I usually hit you at the end of the year. I spent $950 on 15K Chase Trade Line from Trade Line Supply. All right, that's not bad. Yeah, Trade Line Supply is cool. Is it smart to transfer high interest cards to low interest cards? Yeah, go stripper. Yeah, you're gonna, save yourself some money. Let's go. Long T, when a collection says assign, does that mean the collection agency owns the debt? Yes. Yep, Long T. Malcolm, I have 2 accounts, a secured credit card and Discover card. That's good. Okay, so now we need to add some more accounts, Malcolm. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. Go grab that Kovo. That's going to be an installment loan. So it's going to help that credit mix, going to help you out. Then you can grab that Rent Reporters. That's going to help you out too. It's going to backdate like 2 years. So it's going to give you like an age primary. And then after that, you're good to go, bro. Let's go. I have 1, 2. You have to pay it once a year. Depends on when you open the account. Facts. Tyson, 31, 798. I'm feeling good. Let's go. Tyson, I feel you. Let's go. My FICO and Experian are the best. He tried to Diddy me, so I blocked him. You heard me? Hey, yo. He said he tried to Diddy me. I'm weak. What's up, man? Any advice to raise credit score? 4-year plan. Mine is 400. Had to open a card after homelessness. Yeah, D&D Nick. So if you got a 400, man, it's usually due to you got some negative stuff on your report. So, so if I was you, I would schedule a free consultation. Even if you don't sign up, it's still a free consultation. You can get your credit looked at. You know what I'm saying? We can give you some pointers. But if not, you can start disputing that stuff on your own too. Just hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle, and get to work, bro. But I got all the step-by-steps, the letters and videos and all that stuff all in there. Tyson, if I request credit cards for a lower limit, wait. If I request credit cards for a lower limit, will it hurt me? I mean, yeah, Tyson. So when you apply for credit, you're gonna get a hard inquiry, right? It's gonna hurt you a little bit. And then when that new account reports on your credit, your average credit age is going to drop too. All right, so yeah, it's going to hurt you, but yeah, if you don't need it though, don't do it. Anthony Pastrana, what score is better to have higher, TransUnion and Equifax? You need both. You need both. Carlos, I have 30-day late from Selflender since I forgot to update my debit card when I got a new one. Yeah, man, 30 days. So you didn't realize for 30 days that your debit card was expired? Come on, man. Carlos. Come on, man. Selflender is an app that help people out. It's a nice starter account. So Carlos, you can dispute those late payments on open account. So just hit the link in my bio, scroll down, get that King credit bundle. It's still super cheap right now. It got your step-by-step for late payments. There's about there's 3 quick methods, and then the whole late payment letter sequence too. So it's a whole bunch of stuff on there, bro. Chef Naya, appreciate the follow. Dorji, I have 1 late payment from Capital One, only $65. Yeah, Dorji, same thing. Same thing. Go grab that King Credit bundle, use that late payment. Use that late payment sauce. How can I remove a repo? I was a cosigner. Damn it. In 2020, hey, Benji, tell them the slogan. In 2024, we don't cosign no more. Let's go. Damn it. Yeah, so I've seen a huge increase in repos from 2022 to now. It's literally insane. It's literally insane. Probably like 1 in 5 new clients have a repo. When from 2019 to 2022, probably 1 in every 15, right? So it's increased that much, right? It's like tripled. But yeah, so that account's your account. So you got to dispute it. Ariana. So we dispute repos a little bit differently. We like to be super thorough. He said no cosign, no mo. Let's go. So for us, we reach out to the. All right, let me break down a repo. All right, let me break this down. Hold on. Where's it at? Where'd you go? Here we go. All right. So when they repo your car, right, they usually sell it in the auction about 30, 60, 90 days later. Okay. When they do that, they're supposed to update your credit report. So example, your auto loan is 30K, right? They repo your car, they sell it in the auction for 20K. Okay. So 30 minus 20 is 10, right? So 10K is supposed to be reporting on your credit report, not the full 30. You know what I mean? So they never update it. So that's how we get them. We contact the repo company, we get a bill of sale or receipt that proves how much they sold it for, and then we use that to dispute. But I got all the repo sauce in my bundle too. King Credit Bundle, go run it up. Just got 815. My history is really low though. Damn, Nick, that's getting to the 800 club with a low credit history is really that's actually rare, bro. So congrats on that. All right, let me see what they're talking about on Instagram. I have credit score 552, but I have 18 hard inquiries that affect the score. Yeah, so when you first got the increase, it affected your score, but now each day the effectiveness of those inquiries kind of decrease over time. So yeah, but we can help you with that too, Jaden. Let's go, Big Steve. Do you have any idea for 65-day late payment report? Yeah, George, I already told you what to do. Get that King Credit Bundle. I need a consultation, bro. Let's work. Go ahead, shoot me a DM. Okay, just DM me the word King. DM me the word King. Let's go. If you didn't know, McDonald's is going to start selling Krispy Kreme. I'm weak. How I can go through this? How can you go through this? Go ahead and shoot me a DM. Okay, I can't pronounce that name, but yeah, go ahead and shoot me a DM, man. Just DM me the word King. Leo, if you got accounts and collections and missed payments, will your credit ever be good again? Yeah, that's what credit repair is for, right? You got to get that negative stuff off your report, right? So you can dispute late payments on open accounts. If a late payment's on a closed account, you don't dispute the late payment. You just dispute the whole account. All right, but yeah, Leo, let's work, man. Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Let's go. If you want to tackle this stuff yourself, you're more than welcome. Just hit the link in my bio, get that King Credit bundle, and get to work. That's like the DIY package. All right, that's like the DIY pack. Let's go. Perry, what's up, Perry on YouTube? What's up, man? How long does credit repair take? So for us, you should start to see results within the first 35 days. But then it usually takes about 3 to 6 months to get your report how we want it to look. Right? So we do it the right way the first time. Okay, so we're not doing, you know what I'm saying, we're not doing identity theft or secret codes in Credit Karma or police reports, right? That's not the good way to do it. All right, we have the legal tools to get this stuff removed from your credit, get these negative items removed from your credit report. All right, so that's how we do it. Okay, let's go. And Perry, you should see the ticker right there, right? You can text us right there at that number, bro. Let's work. Let's work. How many viewers on YouTube? 1? Yeah, I got 1. Let's go. Hey, just watch. Wait, what's today? March 27, 2024. Watch, in about a year, that YouTube gonna be jumping. We'll have about 50 people on there on the live, 50 to 100. You know, just like we grew this TikTok up, man. Slow motion better than no motion. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, them one videos would he be like, consequences. Consequences. Hey, he be having me weak. Do you know if credit repair is illegal in Georgia? So Ken, so like to regular people, yeah. Regular companies, yeah, but there's a will, there's a way. So if you have a nonprofit, you can do it. We have a nonprofit that we work with, so we can help people in Georgia. You can be a registered financial advisor. You can help people with their credit then, and also a real estate agent. They can help people with their credit. Let's go. Put Benji as MOS on YouTube, as mod on YouTube. I mean, if we get enough people on YouTube, yeah. Let's go. All right. Can I remove charge-offs that were part of debt management program? Yeah. So that's the thing, man. I just went through a whole process with one of my homies earlier today on Facebook. He's messaging me about this debt settlement shit, man. I mean, no, debt. Yeah. Well, debt management program, yeah. Debt relief programs. They're trash. All right. They're trash. Okay. So, but yeah, you can dispute those charge-offs, close accounts, collections, and all that stuff. So yeah, if you want us to do it, just shoot me a DM. We'll schedule a free consultation, look at your credit report, answer all your questions, let you know what plan you qualify for, and get started immediately. All right. If you want to tackle this stuff yourself, you can. I got all the tools you need. Hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle. Let's go. Wait, 693 good because I'm at 686 and I thought that was bad. I mean, from where this person came from, he was at in the 500s. You know what I'm saying? So he, over the next 5 or 6 months, he went from a 500 to this. All right. So, yeah, but you got to be careful though, right? So 693, these are also Vantage scores. So it's a little bit different for everybody. Sometimes people's FICO scores are higher than their Vantage scores. Sometimes their Vantage are higher than their FICOs. For me, my FICO and my Vantage scores are like 5 points apart. Okay, so yes, got to be careful though. I don't know if this is a dumb question, but Kim, no such thing as dumb questions. No such thing as dumb questions. My Equifax isn't reporting since 2003. Can I dispute that? What do you mean it isn't reporting? So Kim, if there's nothing reported on your Equifax, that means you can call them and see what's going on, but you might not have enough open accounts. So you have to have a certain amount of open accounts for you to even generate a score. All right. Mall. Facts. And also not every creditor reports to all three. That's facts too. Mall, if you remove a repo, does everything show on the credit report or does it just disappear? Yeah, so if you remove the repo, we're removing it from your credit report. Yeah, so you answered your own question. He said, I would keep YouTube safe. I'm weak. That's awesome. Appreciate that, Pam. This isn't even that good. This is barely good. David, these are this stuff right here. These are client results, bro. Client results. So this person started in the 500s, and that's where he is now. He's actually better than this now. This was a couple months ago. So David, you obviously new to my live, bro. Welcome. But when you jump into somebody's live, okay, don't jump in being negative. All right, pay attention first. Ask some questions. See what's going on. All right. Juan, not sure if this is a dumb question. Hold on. Are there really apples in pineapples? Hold up. This isn't, hold on. If an account says closed, will it affect you when applying for a house? All right, so when an account closes, when it initially closes, you lose the points associated with that account because you lose the age, okay? And your score drops a little bit because you have one less open account too. But as long as if that closed account doesn't have, a balance, or if it doesn't have any late payments, when it closes, you lose the points and that's it, right? But if it still has late payments on it, you want to go dispute that off your report, because if you got late payments, you're probably not going to get approved for that mortgage. She said, thanks, God. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, then it's good. My bad. You're right. My bad. Coming in from 500. Yes, sir. Is Credit Karma accurate? That the accounts and activity, those are accurate, but the scores are going to be Vantage scores. All right. So, lenders don't use Vantage scores. All right. But Credit Karma is a free app, right? Everybody like free, so you can monitor your activity, monitor your accounts and everything. But just know, when you go apply for something, the scores aren't going to be, they're not using these scores. Okay. Working on my negative reports on my third dispute, haven't had any results. Henry Ortiz, so who you working with, Henry? You got the bundle? You working with another company? Like, what's going on? Mimi, what's going on? Hey, Mimi, I talked to Josh. They have to resubmit your application again, because the first time something happened. The second time it was, something happened. But I'll hit you up after this. We got to get that merchant account for you. We got to you got to start making some money. Let's go. How many points do you lose when you successfully pay off a loan? Depends on how long you had that account, right? So if you had the loan for 3 months, it's not going to hurt you that much. But if you had that loan for 10 years, when you pay it off, you lose 10 years of age. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Let me check IG. What's up? What's up? No, nobody. Where we at on YouTube? Perry, where you at, bro? Perry. Let's go. If I have over 700 score, only one credit card with $20 limit, should I open another card? Yeah, David, immediately, bro. So, David, Koresh, hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. I got a step-by-step for you, right? So you got one open account. That's cool for now, but you definitely want to start adding to it, because you have what's called a thin credit profile, right? That just means that you don't have enough open accounts. Like, you don't got enough experience yet. You know what I'm saying? So when you go apply for a job, they want what? 2 years experience, 4 years experience. When lenders pull your report, they want to see experience, AKA some accounts on your shit. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. That was a good analogy, man. Hey, clip that part. Clip that shit up. Let's go. How to debt off after that company went bankruptcy. So the company closed. That'd be easy to get removed in, right? There's nobody to verify that account anymore. All right. So Diane, just dispute it, right? So if you want to dispute it on your own, hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle, get to work, right? If you want us to do it, shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Check out Dudley when you have a time. I will. The Jade Monet. How can I dispute the collection of my credit with true late payments? Okay. So a collection shouldn't be reporting late payments, number one. Yeah. So the Jade Monet, if you want to do this stuff yourself, I got all the tools you need. Just hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle. But for collections take a little bit more work than just a closed account or a charge off, because you have to dispute the collection with the bureaus, and we're disputing the collection with the collection agencies. You know what I'm saying? So I got all the steps you need, though. Just hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit bundle, and get to work. Mr. Money Making, Credit Karma shows me 104 points lower than my FICO. Damn. See? Let's go. That's crazy. See, people don't believe me. Yeah, see, people don't believe me. Right? Sometimes your FICO score, Credit Karma shows me 104 points lower than my FICO. Yeah, so your FICO score is higher than your Vantage score, right? So people don't believe me. They be like, no, your Vantage score is always higher. I'm like, dude, after you see 100,000 credit reports, then come back, please. Let's go. What we talking about? Working with another company not looking good. Yeah, so Henry, that's why I asked. So 3 rounds. All right, so okay, so after 3 rounds of disputing, if there's no real plan, right? If they're not communicating you, letting you know what's going on and stuff like that, that's kind of a red flag. So even for us, so we have a 3-round policy. So if we send 3 rounds of disputes and nothing happens, there's no changes, there's no nothing, we'll refund your money back and work for free for 3 months, right? So that company needs to have some type of plan in place, right? So yeah, after that 3rd round, you should reach out to them and say, hey, what's going on? We ain't had no results in the last 3 months, 3-4 months. You got a game plan for me, right? And if the answer isn't simple and doesn't make sense, then yeah, you should probably move along, right? It's the same stuff I tell my clients too with us, right? So I ain't hating on nobody. I'm probably hating on myself more, low key. Let's go. I've been working with another hold on. I've been working with another company for credit repo 8 months and nothing. Damn. Look at Keon. Repos aren't those easy accounts, right? All accounts used to be a lot easier to get removed. But the credit bureaus, they've stepped their game up too, right? So you got to learn and adapt. So, but Keon, I guarantee the way they're disputing that repo is wrong, right? So, yeah, I already know it's wrong. So Keon, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says how-to guides. They're free. It's free guides. There's one for repos on there. Go download that. Okay. So you got like a point of contact. I then ask your company, hey, have you done this? Have you done this? Right? If they say no, shit, you got the guide. You can do it yourself, right? Or you can reach out to us and we'll help you out. Okay. I wasn't sure. Yes, sir. Have to follow. Let's go. I'm going to DM you. Yep, we waiting. 15 minutes already? What time is it? Damn. We got 12 minutes left. Shit. All right, man. Let me hurry up. Okay. Bride 567. Spoke with TransUnion yesterday. They said if I dispute 2 closed accounts, it will hurt my score. They said wait till it fall off. That doesn't make sense. Because look at, if you dispute them, they're going to be removed from your credit report. If they fall off, they're going to be removed from your credit report, right? So look at Bride. They're just telling you the stuff that, they're reading off of a sheet. You know what I'm saying? They're taught to say certain things. You know what I'm saying? Just use validation and verification to handle collections. Yeah, true. But there's some steps that you need to do before you start disputing also, Kelly. What is the best app to properly track the score lenders will use instead of Credit Karma? So Regan, so there's 3 of them, right? You can use Experian, pay $24.99, get all 3 reports. You can use My FICO, or you can use My Score IQ. I got a link for My Score IQ. Just hit the link in my bio, scroll down, and it says get your FICO score for $1. I use Credit Karma for monitoring. Let's go. Let's go. Different score because not all agencies report to all three bureaus. Yes, Kelly, I say that every single day. I say that every single day. Appreciate you. I'm having trouble removing paid collections. So, Mr. Money Making, how are you disputing? How are you disputing? I got some late payments. El Chino, let's go. If you want us to do it, go ahead and shoot me a DM. Okay, just DM me the word King. If you want to tackle it yourself, you can. Hit the link in the bio, get the King credit bundle, and get to work. Henry Ortiz, only results have been on my part, and that is updating my address. I did that myself. Okay. Damn. Yeah. I mean, that happens. I told you to play. You know, you want to start asking them questions. Eviction dispute coming back verified. All right, so evictions, those take a lot more work, bro. Evictions take a lot more work. So you're going to have to get your LexisNexis and your credit code reports and probably dispute the eviction off of there, and then go back and dispute it. But here's the thing with evictions too. Evictions are tricky because you sign that contract with that property manager. You sign that contract with that landlord, right? So even if you get it removed from your credit report, a lot of times we help our clients with this too. A lot of times you have to deal with it outside too. So you still might have to do a settlement because they can just because it's not on your credit report don't mean you can't get sued. Okay, so you got to be tricky with you got to be careful with those evictions, man. Got to be careful with those evictions. All right, let's go. Where we at? IG, where we at? Let's go. All right. We'll be back on TikTok. We back over here. Keon, actually, I don't have a repo. I was saying credit repair and nothing happening. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's even worse then. Keon, that's even worse. Shit. I hope you guys work a miracle on mines. And we've been known to do that. We've been known to do that. You know what I'm saying? But hey, even if it's slow motion, it's better than no motion. Let's go. I had bought a car and my score disappeared. But I bought a car and my score disappeared from 647 to 3 dashes. Yeah, that's an issue with the credit reporting agency or the credit bureau. Something ain't right. Right? Something ain't right. So you can call the bureau and be like, hey, what's going on? Why my score ain't generating? And then they'll help you out. I'm ready to buy a home soon. Let's go. Your letters is how I'm disputing. I got your bundle. Okay. All right. So paid collections. Wait, what'd you say? Close the collection. Yeah, paid collections. What round are you on? Mr. Moneymaker, what round are you on, bro? Will this remove bank inquiries on a credit card you didn't apply for? Yeah, you can definitely dispute inquiries. But Duca, honestly, for inquiries, they're not that difficult, bro. They're not that difficult. So you can hit the link in the bio, get that the how-to guides. They're free. I got the step-by-step for inquiries, bro. You can call them and get that stuff updated and removed. Yes or no to fraud alerts for repairing when there's no fraud? No. Yeah, we don't do fraud alerts. It's pointless. How can I apply for a line of credit for my business? How old your business? SB Alvaro. How long it take to see y'all work? Within the first 35 days, you should see something. Validation letters have been sent. So, okay, so the validation letter, but did you also dispute with the bureau with a verification letter too? Remember, you're disputing with the bureau and the collection agency. All right, and if you only done run around, you're just getting started. All right, I had an open account with $750 from Snap. It's been paid off since the January 1st. It's still there. Yeah, so just because, the account can still be there, right? It's probably say closed, right, or paid on there, but you can start adding some more accounts pretty easily, right? So Stamps, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. This is a Google Doc. You can go run that up. Can you give me some tips on how to boost your credit score? Ro, before I help you out, because the answer will be different. Do you have any negative accounts, right? Any late payments, charge-offs, collections, repos, bankruptcies, that type of stuff, all right? Because the answer will be different. SB Alvaro, 1 year. All right, so you're not getting a line of credit yet. You're not eligible for a line of credit you got to be at least 2 years old, you know, tax returns and all that stuff. But a business credit card, you can go get that right now. So it's only your business is only 1 year old, so you're going to have to leverage your personal credit to get it though. All right, so whatever bank that you're banking with, just go ahead, go to the bank and say I want a business credit card. Right? They're gonna fill out the form. You're gonna have to put your social in there, and you're good to go. Jacob, does car financing help with approval odds for a home mortgage? I mean, kind of, yeah. I mean, it's just another, another installment loan, right? Another open account, so it's going to help you out. Okay. Especially if you paid on time, no late payments, that type of stuff. My credit is in the 500. I got 20K in collections. How can I boost my credit? Latoya, well, first we got to dispute those collections. While we do that, we might have to add some positive accounts and then pay our balances down. Simple, but the execution, okay, that's where it gets tough. All right, so Latoya, if you want us to help you out, go ahead and shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King, schedule a free consultation, and we'll go from there. She said, yes, late payments. Okay, so Ro, that's the problem. That's the problem. The late payments are anchoring your scores down. Okay? The late payments are anchoring your scores down. So you got to dispute those late payments while paying down your open accounts. Okay? So, Ro, how many open accounts do you have? Fat. Pro tip, manufacture spend till you're filthy rich. And one credit card maxed out. Okay. So, yeah, you need to add some more accounts. All right. So, Ro. All right, Ro, shoot me because you're probably going to forget it. So shoot me a DM, bro. I'll give you the play-by-play. I got 8 credit cards. Do I still need to do the starter accounts? No, you good. You good. But if you got 8 credit cards, if you don't have any installment loans, that's kind of hurting you. So if you don't have, like, installment loans would be, pledge loan, personal loan, car, mortgage, anything like that. If you don't have any of those, you can grab that Kovo. Right, that Kovo is going to report as an installment loan. How do you dispute hard inquiries? Get your credit report, highlight inquiries not attached to open accounts, and we're calling them to dispute. So you can hit the link in the bio, scroll down, it says how-to guides. It's free. I got the step-by-step on there. Got it, thanks, bro. Do I have to be 2 years in business for business loans as well? Yeah. 2+, right? Because okay. Let me try to explain this so everybody understand it. All right. So on the commercial side, money's getting expensive and more difficult to get because of commercial real estate, right? So there's a whole bunch of stuff you can get into, but when commercial real estate ain't going good, the banks get tight with that money. You know what I'm saying? So the requirements getting tightened up, right? So that's why it's super important for you to have, good payment history on that business side, right? You want your personal score to be decent, right? Be 680 and up, no late payments, no negatives on there, no collections, no charge-offs, decent amount of accounts, utilization not too high, right? You just want to have all your ducks in a row, right? So when your company turns 2 years old, you got your tax returns, you got your good deposits, you can go in the bank, and they'll be willing to work with you. And if you're like a high-risk industry, right, so credit repair accounts, even I'm starting to figure out that the 2 years is not even good enough. They want us to have 2.5, 3 years, right? So we got to go a little above and beyond, all right, which is cool, though. Ain't nothing wrong with a little hard work. Let's go. Ari Mar, what about closed accounts? Yeah, so you can dispute closed accounts, too. So there's different types of closed accounts. Right, so there's such thing as a good closed account, right? A good closed account would be, let's say you had a Capital One account, you paid it down to 0 and you closed it yourself, right? The balance is 0, you closed it, you lost some points when the account closes, but that's okay. Now, that's a good closed account. A bad closed account would be if you close it, it got some late payments on there, right? A charge off, right? That type of stuff. A closed account with a balance, okay? Then those are treated a little bit differently. Okay, your bundle package really helped me a lot. Thanks. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we'll do. Need your help, bro. I have a business. Let's work. Uni, just shoot me a DM. Shoot me a DM. I got a car loan. Oh, Stamps, you good then, bro? You're good. I have 5 years of business with no business credit, with no business credit card. All right, yeah, you ready then? Yeah, Uni. Hold on. Uni should. I'm not saying that username, bro. Hey, Uni, you almost got me. Uni, you almost got me. What's up? What's up? De Jesus was good because they base it off my personal credit. Well, that's the thing. So your business is already 5 years old. So your business should be completely detached from your personal side, right? But even if you're getting personal, if you want to get a business loan, they're still going to look at your personal credit though. But you should be able to get a business credit card without a PG easily, right? As long as you got some good deposits, you should easily qualify. Mine 656. Okay, that's cool. Plus 32. Let's go. Devin Welch, 2 rounds, no deletions. All right. Why are you showing Vantage? Yazir, these are client results, bro. This person started in the 500s. This is where he was when he graduated. He's probably higher than this now. So I just show receipts, bro. You worrying about the Vantage scores. I'm worrying about the results. Okay. Southern Bella, hey, any suggestions on rental apartment debt? Rental apartment debt. So what are we talking about? We're talking about broken leases? Yazir, not accurate. That's your words matter, Yazir. Your words matter. So when you say, there you go, FICO is what lenders pull, yes. But when you say not accurate, that's not true either. All right. These scores are accurate for a Vantage score. All right. It's a credit score. It's just not what scores. It's not the score lenders use. Okay. So words matter, bro. Come on now. Yeah. Southern Bella. Are you talking about a broken lease? Or are you talking about an eviction? What are we talking about? They got different repercussions now. What are we talking about? Genesis suggestions on good credit. Girl, you done messed me all up on good credit cards after fixing my credit. So after you fixed it, you kind of got to start off a little slow. Genesis, so hit the link in my bio, scroll down and say starter accounts. Right, I got the step by step for you in there. It's just a Google Doc. She said Oh, it's a translator. We got a Spanish speaker on the team too. Andrea, she's been with us about a month. I hired her specifically for my Spanish speakers. You know what I'm saying? So my Spanish speakers out there, you got family, hey, that don't speak any English. We got you. Let's go. Let's set it up. Spanish to English. Oh, we got you, Genesis. Yep. Let's go. Shoot me a DM. Let's go. I'm building up that Spanish division. King Credit Espanol. Yes, I have over 5,000 debt. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh, broken lease. Okay. Okay, so broken lease. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yes, I moved out after staying a year, had a roommate, but she stayed and left it with debt. Okay. All right, Southern Bell. So this is gonna need some more hands-on. So Southern Bell, shoot me a DM. Yeah, shoot me a DM. Yeah, it's on your credit report because you guys are both on the lease. When you left, they were supposed to create a new lease, right, with just her on it, right? But she probably couldn't qualify without you on it. You know what I'm saying? I've already, I see this shit every single day. I got you. Yeah, shoot me a DM. We work. We work. He said, "You the man, King." Spanglish. Hey, my Duolingo game is crazy. Don't get me started, bro. Don't get me started. My Duolingo game is insane. She said Spanglish. Don't do me like that, bro. Don't do me like that. Yes, sir. All right, man. 11:05, y'all. 11:05. That's the first session. I go live twice a day, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific times. Come on here and answer people's credit questions just like this, man. We have fun with it. Answer people's questions. No negativity allowed. Safe space for my folks. If you need a free consultation, don't hesitate to reach out. Just shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. And if there's anybody that's interested in starting their own credit repair company, my mentorship is open. It's only open twice a year. Okay, it's only open twice a year, so it's open. And the mentorship would take place April 29th through May 3rd, right? So you get 5 days with me, 2-3 hours per day. We're covering a different topic each day. We got special guests coming on there. I got my virtual assistants coming up on there answering questions. Yeah, it's a good time, man. And this year, the first time, so wait, it's the third year? The first year don't count. So we'll just say this is the second year I've been doing it. The first year don't count. That was, I'm not claiming that shit. That was trash, right? So this is second real year. The second real year. But this time we have a payment plan too. Okay, I usually don't do that, but yeah, we got the payment plan for the VIP and the platinum. Okay, so y'all can check that out. Just hit the link in the bio. Scroll down. It says King Credit Mentorship. You can go run that up. All right, let's go. People with high streak on Duolingo have better credit on average. Hey, that's scientifically proven. All right, scientifically, people with a 90-day streak and up got an 800 credit score. It's scientifically proven. Do you offer a credit suite program? No, not credit suite, but we can help you out. Okay, so like I said earlier, remember, terminology, definitions, words matter. Credit suite is when that's the wrong way to do it. Okay, that's the wrong way to do it. A credit sweep is when they're trying to sweep all the accounts off your report, good ones and bad ones. So what they're doing is they're filing a police report, okay, in your name. So a lot of people don't even know what these people are doing on the back end. All right, so let me expose some people real quick before I get off, right? So what they're doing is, so if you see someone say guaranteed 30 days, guaranteed 10-day removal, guaranteed anything, this is probably what they're doing. All right. And some of these people be in my mentorships, I had to reteach them the right way to do the shit. All right. So what they do is they get your credit report. Okay. They ask for your full social and all that. They file a police report in your name. Okay. Claiming identity theft for all the accounts. Boom. They get that police report. They submit that to the FTC. Okay. Then they submit that FTC identity theft report, that police report. They submit that to the CFPB. Okay. Now, this is how it gets people, because once they do that police report and they submit that that identity theft claim, and an investigation takes place, right? So all those items that were on that police report that you claim identity theft for, they're suppressed, right? They're not deleted, you guys. They're not deleted, they're suppressed. So it looks like, oh shit, everything's removed from my credit, I'm good to go. Okay, that's what it looks like. But then what happens? 30 days, 60 days, even 90 days later, everything popped back on your report, and now it's going to be damn near impossible to get that stuff off your report. Okay, then they come over to me crying. Okay, hey, I worked with this person and they did this and this. I told your ass don't go over there. There's some good companies out here, y'all, us included, that actually do it the right way. All right, just go on Google, look at the reviews, look at the testimonials, man. It's right there. If they don't have a Google page, you can't look them up on Google, that's a red flag, right? The questions answer themselves, okay? If they're asking for Cash App, red flag. Come on now. Can you go buy some Nikes? Can you go to the Nike store and use Cash App? No. Okay? Can you go to the Apple store, buy a MacBook on your cat? No, stop. Right? Real businesses, we're not using no damn Cash App and Zelle, okay? Because people think I be hating on them, but I'm not. All right? I'm trying to protect the the company and I'm protecting the client. Because if you're a client, you send Cash App, okay? If they run off with your money, there's nothing you can do. You can't go to the bank and say, hey, I Cash App this person $3,500. They're gonna say, so, right? If you Zelle it, same thing. Okay, even Zelle warns you, if you send this money, it's like you giving them cash. All right. So they need to have an actual high risk merchant account. Okay, high risk merchant account. So for us, right? So sometimes even for us, I showed this the other day. There was a double payment, right? So if a client misses a payment or something, and we send them another link, sometimes there's 2 active links, right? So they get charged twice. That happens from time to time. It's business, okay? But we can catch it, refund you your money, and cancel the old link. So you got one payment. You know what I'm saying? One link, one active payment link. If you send your money Cash App, there's no refunds. Okay? They probably won't even answer your call, right? There's no refunds. You can't go to the bank. All right. So this is for the consumer and the business owners. Okay. So that's my last little rant. Do credit bureaus need my authorization for you guys to repair my credit? No, Carlos, they don't. But sometimes they be playing and saying, hey, if you're working with a credit repair company, we need to know. If they say something like that, we have a power of attorney. We can send you. You can sign it. We go from there. How long does yours take? So clients usually start to see results in the first 35 days. Then it takes about 3 to 6 months to get your report how you want it to look. He said, you helped me to remove 2 bankruptcies. Real shit. Let's go. Y'all better stop playing. There's nothing better than these live results right here, bro. Live testimonials. Let's go. Bree, my friend got approved for an Apple Card. You helped me so much. Bree, hey, Bree been going crazy. Hold on. Hey, Bree, I'm going to show him. Hold on. I'm going to show him the screenshot, Bree. Hold up. It's on here somewhere. Damn. I might need glasses, bro. This should not be this blurry. This doesn't make no sense. All right, here we go. Look at Bree. Bree been going crazy. Look. She got that Amex Platinum acting different. She said, I'm traveling the world. Look what I said. I said, don't spit it all in one day now. Let it marinate. Let it marinate a little bit. Bree been going crazy with it. Let's go. And this is all from the free game, man. Let's work. All right. Let me answer these last questions and we out. How long does it take before people see changes when you fix their credit? Chevelle, I answered that. Do credit bureaus need my authorization? I answered that. No CPNs, no sweeps. Let's go. My credit score, do I need to be approved for Amex? So it's about your credit profile. So as long as you don't got no negatives on there, you know, no late payments or at least no recent late payments, decent amount of accounts, you should be all right. So the lowest I've seen is like a 660, but usually it's about, you know, you want to have that 680 plus FICO. Nelson, what's good? What's good? Best business credit cards that has 0% APR and balance transfers. David, type that exact question into Google, right? So I don't want to lead you astray, right? I don't want to lead you astray because I only mess with my Amexes now. I got some other ones too, but I barely even use them. Right? I'm a complete Amex dude now. Yeah. All right, y'all. All right, man. All right. That's my time. That's the first live of the day. We'll be back tonight at 4 p.m. Pacific time. If you're not following me on YouTube and the Facebook group, y'all go run that stuff up because we don't know what's going to happen with with TikTok here. So I'm starting to grow all my other stuff. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed the live. Hold on. Jay Clay, not satisfied with credit repair I hired. If I come to your company, what documentation do I need? Jay Clay, you don't need any documentation. So you'll need your ID, your proof of address, that type of stuff. But yeah, that's really it. Right. And then we'll even let you use your whatever credit monitoring you're using. Right. So hopefully you're using. No, we need my score IQ actually, because I want you to see your FICO scores. All right. Nothing from them. Yeah, I don't need anything from them. All right. Nothing from them. Can you answer my question, please? Snazzy Kias. He said in the afternoon, run the sauce. Yeah, we gonna go hard in the afternoon. We go hard in the afternoon. Snazzy, can you answer? There's no question. So it must have filtered it out. So go ahead and ask it real quick before I get off. You have to reword the question. He said he got 10. Oh shit, let's go. Yeah, I give $50 referral fees. $50 referral fees, bro. Let's go. He said he got 10 to 15 Spanish speakers a week. Oh, bro, you about to get paid. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, shoot me a DM, man. Yeah, Snazzy, the question's not coming up. So shoot me a DM, Snazzy. YouTube, subscribe. Let's go. Appreciate you, man. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later tonight, 4 p.m. Pacific time. Y'all have a good day, man. Happy Wednesday. Get some work done, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.